Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liliana for those who are new here. And this particular channel is all about me sharing my tips and tricks about my cake decorating journey. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful buttercream two-tone cake with an Isomalt cake topper. If you guys want to learn how to make this cake, well, this video is for you, so keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet and you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. product, as you can see, it's so simple to make. Sometimes less is more, and this is a perfect cake example that less is more. You just have that really nice, sophisticated wow effect. All you need to do is crumb coat your cake, put it in the freezer 5 minutes, give a nice white coat of buttercream, and then make sure that everything is nice and smooth out, and then you freeze it again for another 5 minutes, and then you do whatever color that you want at the top, and then you smooth it out and remove the how much or less you want of your buttercream. You don't have to be like super like picky and perfect about the spreading of the top layer. Actually, the more uneven it is, the better looking your cake is going to be. How I created that cherry color is I mixed in red food coloring and pink, hot pink, and then I got that nice fuchsia color, or cherry color, I should say. And then for the topper, I use Isomalt. In many of my videos, every time I do an Isomalt, there's so many questions about this product. So first of all, do not, I repeat, do not touch the product with your hands. No. If you don't trust yourself and you want to be safe, actually use safety gloves. There are safety gloves for Isomalt. I really highly suggest you use those because you will burn yourself. So be very, very careful. That's number one. Number two, Isomalt comes in different forms. You can have it in powder or you can have it in crystals. You don't need any specific amount. Many people were like, well, how do you do it? You're not explaining. Yeah, the video is as it is. You take whatever amount you want and you heat it up and you melt it in a pot on medium heat. No need to add water, no need to add anything else. You simply use either your powder or your crystal and you put it over your medium heat and you mix it in, and then it will melt on its own, and then you use it on silicone sheet. Very important, not parchment. It's gonna go right through. You're gonna burn yourself. Silicone, very important. And then you use whatever bottle you have or whatever you want that you can have that really nice mold effect, and then clip it in. Again, you don't touch it. You leave it there until it sets. Setting time can go all the way to like 15 minutes to 1 hour. Just leave it there for 1 hour and then it will set on its own, and then you can unmold it. Just to make my life easier, what I do sometimes is that I'm just gonna go in as a setting. I'm gonna undo the sides very carefully to help the mold get out when it's completely dry. And that Isomalt, you could use food coloring, you could use whatever color that you want, or leave it clear. You can paint over it. It's just an amazing product. Is it edible? Well, a lot of people were asking me, is it edible? It is edible because it's like technically for cakes, but it's not meant to eat. You know what I mean? So it's more like a showpiece because it's for your digest system. It's not meant to like eat in big quantities, but you could technically eat it because it's edible. So yes, you could eat it, but it's not like you're gonna have like a big piece. It's not like a lollipop. You're not gonna use it like a lollipop. So yes, it's edible, but no, people don't eat it. It's more like a showpiece for your cake. And that is basically it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, again, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.